Guys, let's take a quick look at BNB here. Now, I've zoomed in here so you can see this really well. Now, I think we are consolidating basically, above $508 here. You can see I did a video a couple of days ago. I think we were about right here or something on the candle. And it was looking good until we got a dump. And we continued to dump till the next day. And we hit the top of this Fibonacci here at about $500. Did get a bounce though, so that's a good thing. And today we kind of have like a little indecisive candle. It's not very good either. But if I zoom in even more, you can see that this wick is slightly higher than this one, but it's nothing major, basically. But anyways, we need to move up to about 530 bucks. We need to break through that. That is a weekly resistance, which means it's going to be a little bit stronger resistance. So yeah, and after we break that, it's about $552 on the daily resistance, so not too strong. And then you got $567 on a weekly resistance again. And then you're going to kind of get up here. There's like a $10 zone. You can see we kind of consolidated here quite a bit. I think that's going to be a zone that's going to be hard to break through. I don't think it's going to take much to push us up to about $575 though. And anyways, let's see what happens here with BNB. If I put this on the 4-hour chart, let's see if there's any pattern. We are kind of making a little bit of a trend here. So you can see it's just, if we can maintain this trend on the 4-hour time frame, that's a good thing. And let's see, what about the weekly, by the way? I just want to see the week. The week is actually looking not bad. Now, last week we had a huge wick, and it got eaten up, and that's kind of nice to see. And then, let me just delete this little trend line. I know it kind of ruins the view here. So far this week, we are getting a nice candle. I would like to see this candle move back up, like I said, to about $575 at least. Now, I know that seems kind of far, but BNB tends to move quite quickly. You can see this was at $400, and, it ended up closing at, what, a little over 500. So not a bad move. BNB can easily do that. So now Bitcoin, on the other hand, not looking great. Kind of, the support here basically is at 57.4. Maybe there's some local like support around here at 58.6 that we kind of just keep hitting, and we need to get back above 60.2 on the daily, and then on the weekly, time frame, the resistance here is at about 61.3. But today we're going to have core PPI and PPI in about an hour. So you can see at 59 minutes from this video that I'm making right now, probably 45 or 50 minutes from the time I upload this video. And after that, tonight we do have speaking as well, so it could be a little bit volatile, but yeah, guys, I mean, PPI is actually very important today. Let's see what happens. I think if we have a good reading, you're going to see Bitcoin definitely move back up to this resistance and possibly break it. I think, move to 61.3 if we get really good. It depends, guys. Now, if it's in line, probably not much is going to happen. We might move up slightly. I don't think that we'll dump. But if we have bad, expect us to go down probably to 57.4, and we could possibly touch this trend line at 56.8 or so. And let's hope that we hold it. And anyways, guys, that's all I got for you on BNB right now. BNB not looking too bad in the weekly. The daily is, trending upward slightly, but, if we put it on the 4-hour, yeah, like I showed you guys, we did have this trend line that I drew earlier in the video. But yeah, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.